How to switch back to personal account on Instagram from Creator. If you're running a business or side hustle and want to simplify your Instagram experience, switching back to a personal account is the smart move. It only takes a few taps, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down slightly until you see Business Tools and Controls. Go ahead and tap on that option. Then, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap Switch Account Type. Now choose Switch to Personal Account from the available options. Instagram will show you a short explanation, read through it if you'd like. And once you're ready, confirm by tapping Switch to Personal Account again. After the switch is complete, I recommend swiping up to close the app fully. Then reopen Instagram just to make sure everything refreshes and registers properly. And that's it, your account is now back to personal, giving you a cleaner, simpler user experience.